Today, I get to open a box. This is the greatest part of being sponsored or owning a company or having any kind of thing that you could ever do where you get to open a box. I absolutely love this. It's completely pouring rain outside right now. So here I am in the studio, just gonna go, you know what? Let's open a box. Show you guys what's inside. I've been waiting weeks to open this. I've had this for quite some time, but it just keeps raining. And I'm like, what the heck? Who turned on the rain? Okay, so we're gonna just do this the classic way with a razor. Not gonna open it with a drill or chuck it around the room or anything else. You know, nice and relaxed. This is like box opening ASMR. Leave it in the comments below if I should start an ASMR channel. Skateboarding ASMR. Oh boy. Wow. This thing is chocked full of goods. Let's see what it says. Hey Aaron, you asked me to give you a recap of our phone conversation about the best beginner cruiser. Let's go. Basically, it's for beginners who want to learn how to ride a skateboard. It's great for getting the balance down, and you can do at least all of the white belt tricks on it easily. White belt tricks are from the Braille Skateboarding Academy, which is where I teach you people from all over the world how to ride a skateboard on the proper gradient. It's awesome. But maybe this beginner wants to have a smooth ride around their neighborhood if there's rough pavement. So this specifically has soft wheels for a smooth ride. Maybe they plan to use this board as transportation a lot. It's great for transportation, and it's better than a longboard for transportation because longboards can't ollie up the curb. Great point. You can get everything you want in a longboard with a shortboard, and you can even start to do some tricks on it, which makes it even more fun. So after mentioning all that stuff, I would make the main focus about the wheels. Here is what the listing says about those. Okay, so here's what the wheels are. I'm actually gonna get into that after I show you what else is in this box, because there's a lot of stuff in this box. There's some good data in there. Okay, super rad shirt. Let's start by opening these bad boys up. This is the main thing. It's been a while since I just gotten some nice, fresh, new shirts. And in the studio, you can see I got this set up with the lights, and the colors really pop. Okay, so this is a rad one. I've never even seen this logo before. It's a little guy doing a heel flip and Braille skateboarding. It's kind of funny that he's doing a heel flip because that's like my worst trick in the world, the heel flip. Oh yeah. And then this is like, oh, sick. I love this color. This is the color I'm wearing right now. Wow, Aaron, it really matches your eyes. Okay. Classic Braille tee. Classic Braille tee. BrailleSkateboarding.com. Whoop, whoop. Everything I'm showing you right now is available at BrailleSkateboarding.com. Okay, then we got a all-terrain t-shirt, super rad. Little like Gigantor wheels, and then the all-terrain on the bottom, super sick. Ooh, I think this is a t-shirt hoodie, which is the greatest advance in skateboard technology ever invented. T-shirt hoodies. Because the reason I like t-shirt hoodies is because it gives you protection from the sun, but it's not too hot. If you want to flip up the hood, if you're like, oh, the sun is beating down on my neck, you can pop that hood up and it covers your arms. And so good. And this is like the San Francisco Bridge, classic San Francisco Bridge t-shirt hoodie, which I absolutely love. I think it's so great. Ooh, yeah. Okay, save the best for last. Okay, then this is one of my favorite graphic t-shirts of all time. It is the First Try. You got the First Try guy on the back, and on the front is just the classic B. Classic, awesome, amazing B. And then of course, the First Try guy. Love, 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 love it. You know, First Try just broke his arm and broke his leg. But welcome to skateboarding. Actually, it's not true. Skateboarding is safe. You just need to do it on the proper gradient. That's why Braille Skateboarding Academy exists. Let's go. Teaching the entire world how to ride a skateboard. And then another one, similar graphic, different color. And again, I love this color. This is my color. Matches my eyes. You know, green eyes, green t-shirt. Go well together. First Try tee, little Braille B on the front. Beautiful. Absolutely love it. Ooh, and then this is my item right here. Wow, this came out really good. This is a Never Give Up with two different colors on there. I think that's so sick. Never give up t-shirt with the B on the front. It's just like subtle, you know? I like the t-shirts that are just sort of like, they're not too over the top. They're just sort of like subtle little graphic, but the colors are nice and you can just wear it wherever. It looks so rad. Anyways, I love, love, love that. Okay, then this is a brand new item, just released. Super fun, super rad. We had the idea of like, you know what? We're selling these Best Beginner Completes to a lot of beginners, and we have a lot of people getting into skateboarding, which is really, really exciting. And some people have the question of, Aaron, tell me about the wheels, and which wheels should I have as a beginner? So we decided to make sort of an old school shaped deck as a Best Beginner Complete as a cruiser. So you have a smooth ride, and I'm gonna tell you all about this after I open up the rest of this. I'm gonna get really into that board. This super, super rad, super fun board. Ooh, I've been waiting for these bad boys as well, because I need me some new shoes. These are my favorite shoes to skate in of all time. Just classic, slick. They just grip so good. They grip so good on the board. Again, I think I've said this in like 33 videos, but I didn't think I was gonna like the slip-ons at all. I thought I was always gonna be just riding shoelace shoes. And then when I tried the slip-ons, I was like, the flick is unmatched. I did a triple flip, and then I was like, you know what? Double flip, triple flip, tray double flip. I could do all of the double flip tricks like way easier. And then I was like, okay, flip-ons. Got the slip-on shoes. They won my heart. Okay, now we have another thing, which I think is not. Oh yeah. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I got 2 pairs of slip-ons. I was gonna say, I think they're not slip-ons, but they are. Good, beautiful. So 2 pairs of these, sick. And the Best Beginner Cruiser, which I'm gonna tell you all about right now. Actually wanna compare the differences between this and just your normal board. Okay, well check this bad boy out. First of all, looks awesome. Really, really nice colors on the board. Slick Braille logo. And then what do we got going on here? The whole specialty with this cruiser board, this is for beginners. So if you're a brand new skater, this is a good way to start. It's very wide. I'm actually gonna grab the tape measure and show you how wide it is. I'm gonna give you all the specs on this. But first I'm gonna finish reading this so you guys know what's on here. Bones Rough Rider 56 millimeter wide wheels. So these wheels are wider than most. They're softer than most. It's an ultra soft 80A. So 80A is very soft. All-terrain formula urethane. The soft outer urethane is naturally bonded to a harder inner hub, no mechanical glue. So the two work together as one. Okay, so inside this is a harder urethane, and then there's a softer urethane on the outside that's bonded to it. Super, super rad. If there's anybody who knows wheels better than anybody else, it's Bones. Best wheels in the world. Bones, Powell, they rock. Rough Riders open up terrain that used to feel sketchy and turn rough neighborhood streets into something you actually want to skate. So I get this question a lot. It's actually one of the most questions I've had on the Braille Skateboarding Academy is about wheels. Aaron, I went to the skate park, the ground was super rough. What do you think? I'm riding 101A wheels. So the higher the number, the harder the wheels, the rougher your ride. The lower the number, the softer your wheels, the smoother the ride. So these at 80A are way softer than 101A. 101A, very hard, 80A softer. Personally, my favorite wheel, this all-terrain, all-around, are the Dragon Formula wheels from Powell. Powell Dragon Formula wheels, I forget what the actual hardness is. I want to guess 94A or something like that. So they're softer, but softer wheels generally don't slide well. So they made a special formula that is A, soft, so it's a smooth ride, but B, it also slides well. So when you are like reverting out of a trick or you need to do a power slide, the board slides. So if I take these out and I go on the street and I do a power slide, it's gonna stick. it's gonna stick a lot more than if I had 101s, which will slide better. So the idea of a wheel that is both soft and slide is incredible. And that's what they pulled off on the Dragon wheels. We've made several videos about them, but I wanted to reiterate that here. So these are even softer than the Dragon wheels by a lot. So if you're a brand new skater and you want to just cruise, you're not even looking to necessarily do tricks so much, this is a great place to start. But if you start liking to cruise around, I think most skaters that stick with skateboarding just love riding. And starting out by just loving riding is the way to go. And truthfully, we need to make way more skaters in the world. That's what Braille skateboarding is all about. That's what we've been about this entire time, is getting new people introduced into skateboarding, helping them learn, and getting them riding. So this is a cool advancement because you can just ride it anywhere. And on this, you can learn how to ollie. From here, you got a wide base. I'm gonna grab the tape measure. I'm gonna actually measure the different specs of this so you guys know what's going on with the best beginner cruiser board. Okay, I'm gonna compare this to my personal skateboard, which I know you guys never let me live this down, is very skinny. This is just classic popsicle stick. It is 7.75 inches wide, but just for fun, we're gonna measure that and I'm gonna show you what that looks like. Boom. So this is how you measure the width of a board, just literally straight across. So you see right there, 7.75 inches wide. So now we're gonna measure this cruiser board, which is trickier because it's got sort of a variable width. It's wider here than it is here, but I'm gonna show you both. Okay, so I'm gonna go up here, which is about at the widest point. It's about 10 inches. Yeah, 10 inches. And then we're gonna go to where it's a little bit skinnier. It's about 9 inches down there. So a full 10 inches wide at the top, that's beast mode. And it has not a giant nose, but a little nose with a little bit of lift up, which can help. The concave, that's what you call this. I don't know if the correct word is convex. I don't know, concave. This right here going like this, right? So it dips down in the middle and then it goes up, and this is like your rail on the side. So when you learn to do flip tricks and you're like flicking your trick off the side of the board there, it will grab onto that rail and latch on and help you to spin that board around, right? So now the nose, let's just measure this guy. Teeny little nose, about 4 inches, and a monster tail. My first board that I ever skated was a fish board, very similar shape to this. The tail is about 6 3/4 inches to the truck. And now the wheelbase here, let's check this, is about 14 3/4 inches. So those are the specs on the best beginner complete cruiser board. I think this is a super, super rad board. And if you just want to learn how to ride around and you're like, Aaron, I don't even necessarily want to do tricks. I just want a smooth ride. I want to be able to go into my neighborhood or around my college campus or wherever I'm going and just skate around. Well, check out the Braille Best Beginner Complete Cruiser Board. Super, super rad. I'll leave that link down there. These are all available. Everything you saw today is available at brailleskateboarding.com. Happy 2026, Happy New Year, guys. I hope that you are having an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. Make your skateboarding goals, get excited, and let's get pumped for the new year of skating. Not only learning how to skate for you, but teaching others in your environment how to skate as well. This is how we're going to grow skateboarding all over the world. It's awesome, it's incredible, and let's work on it together. We'll see you out there in the streets, having a blast, learning how to ride your skateboard. Thank you so much, you guys are the best. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard and learn to help others to ride a skateboard too. We'll see you in the next video.